And now we do the prize draw. And yes, we're being recorded. So we always do a prize draw of a book, which is the Success Principles. But a lot of you have this book, and some of you are waiting on the 20th anniversary. So I think I'm going to ditch ordering the 20th anniversary because it's on pre-order. It's been on pre-order for months. If you have that copy, then there's a couple of other books that I can give you instead. So we're going to use the people that were on the call tonight and the people that were on the call this morning. And unfortunately, we had a few people that couldn't make it. So that brings us up to, I'm just counting.
8.
So, Emma, can you give me a number? A number
3?
between. Sorry, 3.
3?
That's Chris from this morning.
He'll be very happy.
So I know it's an anticlimax for all of you here. Sorry about that. But shall we do that again? And the winner is Chris from this morning. Awesome. So I'll make sure I get that to him.